I get these questions all the time. Where do I start? What is the very first step I should take? How do I even go about starting to invest in real estate? So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 things that you need to do right now from the very beginning to give yourself the highest chance of being successful when you're launching your real estate investing career. These 3 things are not in any other videos you're going to see about this. Make sure to hit that like button over there. I'd appreciate it. So no joke, those questions I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I have literally answered thousands of times. And at the beginning, I kind of just made up a few things and started to think about it. And the more I answered it, the better I think I got at answering it. These are some really impactful ways that are kind of outside the box that nobody else is talking about. And number 3 can literally explode your growth overnight. The first one is having the right mindset. And this one is the hardest. So don't go anywhere. Don't think, okay, check. No. Most of you and even me don't have this one checked off. Having the right mindset is so important. Understanding that this is a long-term game if you're getting into rentals. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. Understanding that wholesaling is hard work and understanding that fixing and flipping, a lot can go wrong. So no matter what type of investing you're doing, you need to have the right mindset and work on it every single day. A lot of people are trying to do what you're doing. And granted, there's a lot of successful people, but a lot of people also fail because they don't have the right mindset. They don't go into it with the right mindset and they don't work on their mindset. A lot of stuff's gonna go awesome. A lot of stuff's gonna go really, really wrong. You need to have that mindset, that perseverance. You need to understand it's a long-term game. It's well worth it. Everybody that sticks with it and has persistence usually succeeds. So work on that mindset. Work on having positive affirmations. Write out your goals. Work on being strong. Work on just being a good real estate investor, being a good businessman, and a lot of that is having a strong, guarded mindset. All right, number 2, this one's definitely a lot easier, especially with technology today, but it's getting a basis of knowledge. My TikTok, my YouTube, my Instagram, other great people out there that are doing it and teaching it and coaching it and preaching on it. It's literally at your fingertips. You can pull up your phone, you can find my TikTok, my YouTube, my Instagram, other people that are doing it, Bigger Pockets, all these other people, Kong, Ryan Pineda, all my buddies that are doing this and teaching it, you can find right here on your phone. You can go on a computer and do it. There's so much technology out there and so many people are giving away great free content. Not probably quite as much free content as I give out. I get a little slack for that, but we're putting out free content and giving you the knowledge. If I had all this at my fingertips when I got started, man, I'd been more successful. So go out there, seek knowledge, be thirsty, be a sponge, go out and get as much knowledge as you can as you're getting started. On your drive to work, listen to a podcast or listen to my YouTube. There are so many opportunities and options out there for you to find resources that will bump up your knowledge. And the more you know, the better you'll do and the more efficient and effective you'll be at the beginning. But you get the most knowledge from actually doing it. Just a 2-part thing. Get that basis of knowledge to go out there and try. I mean, just after watching this video and watching 5 of my YouTube videos, you will have more knowledge than I had after I had a few properties, and that is no lie. So having that knowledge by the resources at your fingertips and then also going out and doing it and getting knowledge as you do it will help a ton. Number 3, and probably not the most important because a bar stool is going to fall over if it's just got 2 legs. So you kind of need all 3. I don't know why I'm using the bar stool analogy. I guess I like bars. But anyways, you need to get involved in your local community. Whatever that community is, whether it's a community that you're going to virtually be investing in, or if it's your town that you're living in, or if you're going to college in a community and you think you might live thereafter, wherever you're going to invest, you need to get involved in that local community. So wouldn't it be awesome if there was a place where you could meet wholesalers to buy houses from, where you could meet real estate agents to list your houses or to buy houses from, where you could meet bankers to lend money, where you could meet hard money lenders, where you could meet contractors that paint, that do flooring, that do sewer scopes, that do roof, that do windows, where you could meet other investors that are willing to help. Guess what? They exist. They're meetups. Go to meetup.com or Eventbrite, maybe I think is a newer one. Go and look for local real estate investing clubs, local real estate investing meetups. They exist in every single decent sized city. Here in St. Louis, there's probably 7 or 8 of them. Ours is the best. We meet the 3rd Thursday of every single month. It's free for first timers. We pay for your dinner. There's a cash bar. We give you opportunities to work with our team. There's always a really, really key note speaker that's giving away knowledge, giving away something. Then afterwards, there's networking and people hang out and have fun and have a few drinks. There are clubs like that in almost every city. You just maybe don't know about them. It's a place where you can literally up your Rolodex overnight. We buy and sell houses at those groups. So that is the first thing you should be doing. There is so much power in immediately upping your Rolodex and going to those clubs, so go to those. Also, join your local real estate investing Facebook group. I am still involved in all the groups, major groups in our market. So is everybody on my team. So there are legitimate investors in those groups. There are legitimate hard money lenders in those groups. You just have to look and sift through those groups. That's a great place to ask a question, looking for a plumber. You just go in that group and ask, because going to Angie's List or going on Yellow Pages, those people might not deal with investors as much. So if you go to those meetups and put yourself out there and get to meet people and join those Facebook groups, you will immediately up your contacts and your connections, and you will get involved in your local community. I hate to break it to you, you cannot do this on your own. You need other contacts. And of course, join my FasterFreedom community. I give all three of those. I help with mindset, I help with knowledge, and I can even help with connections. So I kind of do all three. So make sure you're following my TikTok, my YouTube, my Instagram. I'm going to start to reach out to the other platforms here soon and start to put some content out there. So make sure you're doing that. And then on Facebook, just type in FasterFreedom community. And also go in the description below to get my free training. Go to freerentalwebinar.com or click on the link below. That's another free resource that we're putting out there to help gain your knowledge. So I wanted to give you some actual impactful things that if you work on them and if you have a concentrated and concerted effort towards all three of those, it's not going to happen overnight, but if you do that over the next few weeks and few months, you will be putting the correct, strong building blocks in so you can build whatever you're looking to build. It has worked for me, and it is what me and my team and all the successful real estate investors I know have done after the fact, but I'm going to help you do it from the beginning. So go implement those and you will be successful, or you're at least going to have yourself the highest chance. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Like it, comment. We'd really appreciate that interaction if you saw any value. Lazy joke of the day. A cheese factory in France exploded. There's debris everywhere. Thanks for watching.